All right. Yeah. Ow! Come back from playing sports, and my thumb is killing me, and pretty much my entire lower body is on strike. So yeah, if I suddenly kill over and die midstream, that's probably why. But we soldier on. So I've done a lot of the skills, well, not a lot, I haven't even done half, but a fair few skills. I'm probably gonna have to come up with like several more, but oh well. So the last thing we did was this prismatic blade, I think, which is, no, this was done off stream when I was talking about. But yeah, what this does is that it automatically changes your attack to be of the element that is least resisted by the enemy. So yeah, if you say, I don't know, I should show this thing here. So it can change from any physical, and it will change to anything magic. I'll take psychic off because it should just be elements. I might just introduce a new flag called elements, which includes this, and then psychic and almighty will probably be its own thing but still under magic, or I don't know, maybe, or we could just take psychic outside of magic and either that or move toxic to fit. Anyways, I'm drawing ahead of myself. So this is, if you've seen my Twitter, it is currently the longest class name. Change outgoing damage type to highest damage modifier, and I wrote ways of calculating damage modifiers for given damage types for each entity. What else? Yeah. So this is fine, and duration, yeah, 25 seconds. Let's see. I've also added a way of specifying classes to test, and this will place each class on the party. So this saves me having to go into the actual party screen and change them from there. Instead, it goes from there. However, if I look at this, sorry, not this. Where's the ready? So this, because the party's UI, if I actually show you the screen, so this is the party's UI, and this node's ready gets called before this one's ready. And what it does is that it updates its rectangles. However, what it doesn't do is that if I go into battle scene test, it changes, sorry, in ready, it changes the classes from here. I'm tempted to just put this in enter tree, but it would help if we, you know, if the thing was, what's the word? Initialized properly. It'll just save me a headache down the line. So we go into our party UI draggable, and I think we've made a on new run, and then so in ready we connect everything. However, on new run we need to refresh them. So yeah. So update this entity display positions, we can do that, and then for each bar X in displays. We can hang on the run. It's running a bit hot, this laptop. So I'm gonna put the fans up. Oh yeah, 88 degrees, that is quite a bit. Might need to have a look at the fans again, see if they've taken up too much dust or something. Next dot, refresh. Something like this. So it's kind of like connect to, however, we're going to move a lot of this stuff into refresh. So public void refresh. And what this does is that it gets the connected entity, this thing, and yeah, puts it everything. So
we have to be careful.
Change this to target. Oh, and these two listeners here, we can plonk on here. Right. I think these will be the same. These will be fine. Yeah, to have it here. Now it would be class level. No, there should be a class name label. Here we go. Class level label. Class replace. Okay, so make another one then. Private. Oops. Set class level label. This should be a void as well. Player character class base class at class int level, and then I'm going to make them both nullable, except player character class base is nullable by default. But so this will be something like just copy paste this, and then instead of this we put Holostars. If at class is equal to null, then at class would be the targets. Target dot active class. Then we just
I'm in prowls around the streets all hours of the night, just like an animal. Maybe he's the vampire.
also if
Everyone knows where it might be.
level is equal to null, level is equal to target dot current level. Right. Technically, because it's a nullable, we should be doing this instead of checking for null, but... Oh? Oh. It's a property, not a method. That's why. Right, then... we... This will be guest target dot active class guest target dot current level. And I think what we can do is this. Except, yeah, copy. Oh, why is it being so? Yes, overwrite. Fuck. What the fuck? No, I don't want to build shit. Fuck off. Pardon my French. Okay, copy that, and then we just replace. Well. Actually, then this means I can take this out of. No, because... Wait, yes we can. Okay. So... set class level label null because we want to just refresh it, not change it to a new one.
Just a moment, won't you come in?
I mean, we could just say target at current level, but actually, you know what? Let's do target dot whatever here. So I'm just gonna put this in as well. Which means we can just get rid of all this crap. That's fine. Alright, so yeah, this is just a UI bug. If we go back to our thing, it should say should give everyone their new classes. Some might not be in the front or back row, but we can just swap those around if we need to. Oh. They haven't been updated. That's odd.
But we'll have to work together. You'll have to help.
I think I know what's up. Right. I said to have missed it. About 2.5 centuries. Yeah. Anyway, welcome back. Haven't seen you in a while. So start the run here, and then that will be hooked up to the what should I call it? Hex Brawler, Alchemist, yeah, okay. Hex and Spellblade, no. Yes. Hex and Shinobi should... Hex with Shinobi, Alchemist with Sergeant. Right. Come on. So yeah, I've done the starting skills for the starting 6 classes, if you want to call them that. Now I just need to do the starting skills for the unlockable classes. Also 6 of them. Let's see, what was it? Hex with Sergeant. Oh, this is a draggy thing, not a hang on, so that's Axel, Batel, Flayan, Regis, Shinri. Who's the other guy? Haka, which is, yeah, he'd be in the front row. Right, let's try that again. Right. I just need to test Prismatic Blade. See if it... how many arrows it chucks out. And, right, if we attack normally... Oh, here we go. Throw no elements, exception sequence contains no element. Oh, of course. Yeah, because the... Get damage multipliers from attacker to candidates, then the multipliers would be here, but then there should be. Unless candidates is untyped. Where would this be? Hang on, I've got to chuck out the debugger to see what's going on. Set this as the main scene. You installed Unreal Engine on your school PC and it got an error. I'm sorry to hear that. Is it an old PC or something? I mean, usually Unreal Engine you want the big old. Don't underestimate school PC. Okay, I was even laughed at. How come the high specs are playing Roblox? Yeah. I don't know why anybody plays Roblox, to be quite frank with you. I mean, yeah, Unreal Engine. I mean, to develop on a PC, you do need more. Like, I'd say about a third more processing power than to actually play it. I mean, it is just a ballpark, but. Yeah, Unreal Engine does, especially if it's the latest version, it does require a fair amount of processors. Right, let's have a check, see what goes on. So when he attacks, we want to get the highest damage dealt out of all 4 elements. However, multipliers is null, which is correct. However, candidates is untyped. Why the hell is it untyped? Okay. Change options and damage type. Oh, fuck me dead. This schoolboy shit, come on. Hang on. Padahal Chiapstra Palang by the answer of PC, Sipola Yang Line. My apologies for killing your language. I'm going to chuck that into DeepL for me. Oh, sorry, my shut up. Even though the chipset is the best among other school PCs. Yeah. To be fair, if schools in Indonesia are as underfunded as they are in Britain, that's not exactly saying a lot. No, seriously, when I was in college, so this would be high school in America, but yeah, what was it? The PCs were running, I think it was Windows 98. One even had Windows ME, the poor bastard who had that. But yeah, I mean, it takes ages and ages to get new stuff in Britain, especially if you're in the public sector. Right, so that and should be an or. Have I made that screw up anywhere else? Yes, I have. Yeah, this. Right. Let's try it again. Yeah, if you have a fairly modern chipset, there's really not really any reason why you shouldn't be able to put in Unreal Engine. Informatics class is new to Python even though you're in 11th grade. Yeah. To be fair, I only learned Python about 5 years ago. So I was, well out of uni at the time. I did computer science and everything was in bloody Java. And it's just this, oh, we want to get you, oh, what the fuck's wrong now? Oh, we want to get you, make sure you use different things. All we did was use bloody Java and a bit of Oracle SQL. There's okay, so at least the error's somewhere else. Split damage types on then, the equipped weapon damage types here, but then so the reason we'll be getting an index out of range is if this is 0, which should not be happening. If you learn Java, all the students will sleep in class. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, I think when I was in uni, Python was still on, Python 2, and, everyone was thinking, oh, computers are only going to get better, and Java works on anything, so Java's the future, and, I, can't exactly agree with that prediction, given hindsight. Apply. So this would be like that. So why am I getting flickering? This is still up. Okay. Right. Blah 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 blah. That's the thing. What function is a programming language? It's really complicated. Yeah, I mean, I would say each language has its place, but to be fair, there's stuff like brainfuck and malbolgia, which are specific troll languages. But yeah, the strength of Java is that it can run on anything. Strength of C# is that you've got Microsoft's God knows how much worth there is around it, behind it. C++, it's old and it has a library for pretty much anything. Ada, that's for safety critical stuff where if something goes wrong, people die. That's when you want to use Ada, because if something's wrong, you know about it, and you can get it early. What do we got here? Damage type slash. Get active modifiers where can apply all the way descending on here. So effect is on here. So effect dot to array. Ones who like to try, then ones who learn Python but make additions and multiplications, they're confused. Why is it so difficult? Additions and multiplications, they're confused. Why is it so difficult? Yeah, I mean, thing is with Python is that it's weakly typed, so you kind of have to. It kind of makes assumptions that that aren't necessarily true. Just trying to work out. So yeah, you might find some sort of worry there, but so yeah, the effect dot to array, which is 0, so it should return slash, right? Get modifying where we can apply it to the here on the damage type caster target. So this is. Wait a minute. Effect equals, yeah, get anything change outgoing damage, we would by sending one to there. This isn't right. This isn't right because no, what I'm talking about. No, this is right because it should have the change outgoing damage type, but there should be one on there. So this, for some reason, we can't apply it. Why can't we apply it? Let's have a look at... no, not target, this. Come on. My eyes hurt looking at you, code. Yeah. Join the club. Where is... Yeah, unfortunately with RPGs, you know... RPGs are so vague that you can, you know, you could do pretty... I think there was one Godot add-on that has RPGs, but that's, you know, turn-based. Yeah, if you want to do something like, you know, anything that works in real time, you know, you're going to have to write the whole thing yourself, so... But yeah, so what this does is that it gets any modifier that's on the caster, the guy who's attacking, any effect that changes the outgoing damage type, and it gets all of them where it can apply, and then orders them by their priority. However, for some reason we can't apply it for here on here. Which doesn't make sense because damage type slash is the other thing, so... Oh, here's why. The effective money... Oh. I think I know what's wrong. Yeah, so... We return the damage type here. However, if I go up here, it's not our guy that's attacking. It's the enemy that's attacking. What are you saying? I don't understand. Yeah, it's extremely complicated. So what this does is a skill called Prismatic Blade, and what it does is, while it's active on your when it's active on, you know, whoever, any physical damage they do is automatically converted to the magical damage type that hits the enemy for the most. So if you have Prismatic Blade active and you attack, say, I don't know, a fire elemental, it automatically converts it to water damage, if that makes sense. And then if the same person attacks, I don't know, an earth elemental, it will automatically convert it to air damage. If it is complicated, I agree. Just trying to... Okay, so you turn down to type, which is slash. That's correct. Yes. So we return damage type, which is this. So we go into the next bit in the stack, which is... Oh. Right. So we split the damage types onto here. But then that should just give an array of... Wait, what exactly are we getting out of this? Bar final damage type equals... that. Okay, and then if we put a breakpoint here, we'll work out what this thing's actually doing. Fuck. Oh, of course. That would help. Okay. Right, if... Oh. No, change from physical to fire, water, air, or earth. How? Okay, so... Effect dot to array is, yes, 1, so... We don't apply that, but instead we go into here, so types is... Don't want that. Yeah. Okay, so final damage type R is 1. Which is slash. Why are we going into here? Oh. And now we've still got an error. Oh. Huh. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, that's correct. Try running it again. Okay. Right. Right. Split damage types. Yes. So final damage type array is 1 of slash. Good. The fuck? Why are we going somewhere completely different when I step next? Oh, piss off. No, don't decompile. Fuck off. Just... Oh. Okay, fine. Try it on here, see what we get. I move this. Right. Just wait for the Kotori to attack, and still nothing. Okay, now it's just... Why would there be a... I'm a complete and utter idiot. A complete and utter idiot. I should have just... Yeah, GD randi, that just gives a random number. Full stop. I need to modulo it by the length. That's why. Oh. Okay, we'll try it now. That doesn't explain... Actually, that might actually. Right. Final damage type is slash, that is correct. Final damage type is also slash, okay. Now if we attack the Kotori, I haven't programmed the damage resistance in yet, so... No, because... Actually, it does have it effect active, right? Caster, active modifier effect. Yes, this is a change to. So, this should apply the change. It should give. It should give the 4 elemental damage effects. Wait a minute. No, this is of the effect, so get new damage type. Right, this. If we can apply it, then return get highest damage multipliers of change options or damage type. If I just get rid of damage type here and then just change options, it should. Oh no, but... Yeah, because this splits them, but then we order by descending, we don't group from the highest. So yeah, we're going to need to do something a bit more sophisticated. So var rect equals damage type dot ow untyped. Our what is it? For each var kv in multipliers. Oh wait. Var highest multiplier equals 0. Right. No, if value is greater than the highest multiplier, then ret equals kv dot key. Else, if it's equal, lowercase f, because reasons. I mean, we're using the Godot one instead of the .NET one. KV value highest multiplier, that's correct. It's actually guessed what I was going to put in correctly. Ret equals ret or kb dot key, and that should be it. And then instead of returning that, we return ret o as well. Hang on. We also need to update the highest multiplier. kv.value. There we go. Actually, I'm going to change the order a bit. Else if that. Radio. Wait, let me get the stream thing set up on Twitch. Sorry, my hands being a bit sore. It's just the base of the thumb.
Remember, don't hesitate to call on me for anything.
Is this any concern of yours?
Right, that should. No, I don't want. I want to have a look at the breakpoints. It should convert stuff to the elementals. So what this means is that if a guy does elemental damage, what is it? Oh, I don't know. I've completely lost what I was going to say. So basically, if one of the enemies resists elemental damage but is weak to physical, and someone with prismatic blades on them attacks, they're kind of SOL. I think I've taken off the blooming things, haven't I? Oh. Because it's a weapon damage. There's a... Oh. No, that's the config file being a twat. Right. Prismatic blade on. Attack. Thing is, the attack's going through, but the breakpoint isn't being hit. Which is... odd. Like, really odd. And there's no... We're not getting alerted to errors here, so I have no idea what's going on. This is hooked up to the right process, isn't it? You know what? It might not be. It isn't. Ah. Yeah, it should have been this one. Because Godot's a bit of a prick. Here we go. Right. Red's currently null, which is fine. It's this we want to take a look at. Right, ret is fire, water, air, and earth. That is because all of the Takodachi's elemental resistances are the same, which is expected. And it gives, say, 7 whatever damage. I am interested in taking a look at what the final damage type is. It's, yes, so split candidates with damage type 4, fire, water, air, earth, correct. No wait, this is the wrong thing. Come on. You know you wanna... Okay, so final damage type is air, that's correct. 14. If I do it again, is it going to select air again, or is it going to select something different? Water, for 12. Yep, that's working as intended. I will need to make a mental note to test it again as soon as I implement passives. So yeah, we can do the stuff that I probably should have done last stream, but oh well. Okay. I'm going to change Spellblade with a Seer. Seers are going to be mainly non-combat, but I want to check that the actual thing shows for it. So we can get rid of Prismatic Blade. Right, Acupressure, Ethereal Sight, Ethereal Step. Those are non-combat. Apply Poison, I've done. Bloodweaving, done. Cleave, done. Dagger Rain, done. Deflect Projectiles, Excommunication, I have not done. And we'll make this size 10 so we get those. Excommunication inflicts a condition called Anathema, which means that the target's allies cannot target it, which is quite devastating because you can't get rid of it. Well, except if it's not an AoE. Glass arrowheads, that does do things. Hemostasis, we have done. I don't want to do the invocations just yet, because they want I want them to consume an item as well. Lacerate, Mana Beacon, Mana Conductivity, I think I've done these all. Mana Magnet, I don't think I have. I'll place this on here. Mantis Strike, put this on. Mass Veil, yes. Mass Levitate, does that have a combat effect? I don't think it does. Needling as well. Patch Up. Have I done that? Don't think I have. Pocket Sand I've done. Power Attack. Prismatic Blade we've just done. Riposting Blade done. Shield Bash. Sergeant has that. Smite we've done. Sweep Kick we haven't. So, yeah, Axel's eating these skills. I am probably going to have to sort of do a Python script which passes all of these. Well, actually, no, I can just do an editor script in GD scripts instead of Python. That passes all of these and sort of outputs a report. Basically, how many skills can be used by each class, and then do them by normally. Right. I just want to... I'm going to check if they're loaded into memory properly, and then we can work on implementing the darn things. So, Mass Veil and Mana Magnet do not have things. Which, okay, so we'll put these to one side. Seer doesn't have Mass Veil? What? Seer's not... No, it's not used by anyone. Okay, fine. And then what was this? Mana Magnet. Paladin or Spellblade. I'll give it to the Sergeant? No. We'll go with that. We'll find something else to put on. Target Wound. Well, there's no... I want to do that with the other thing. Throat Chop as well. No, that's another brawler skill. I don't want to do that. Toxic Shot requires poison to be applied. So we'll probably wait. What if we retooled apply poison into actually putting in a condition? And yeah, okay, we'll do that then. But for now, we'll put vital blow as well. No, vital blow's a berserker spell. Can't have that. Will-o'-the-wisp can be used by spellblade sorcerers and hexmongers. Yeah, that's great. And that's going to deal fire damage over time to the enemy squad. Right, see if we can load the darn things again. Yeah, Mana Magnet has, for some reason, a circle, which is that it's special space thing, which sometimes renders and sometimes it doesn't. Yes. Oh, starting as well. Smite Force Field. Power Attack Onslaught. Yeah, the starting spells are out. This should have been done. Because they've got their old starting skills, so right. I'm gonna need to have a check with their equipped skills. Here we go. Better be the players that get their own starting skills, right? Yeah. Right, this is done on run start. However, the active roguelike class is not... Because this is done in the, I think... Right. Yeah. This is wrong. We'll need to replace this with the actual roguelike run manager that we've implemented in the meantime. Roguelike run manager instance, what was it? Run started plus equals on run start. And also, because this is a custom signal, we do need to handle its getting rid of underscore exit tree. Here we go. So run like roguelike run manager dot instance run started minus equals on run start. Oh god, I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh dear. Hang on, give me a sec. Yeah, I'm thinking we'll throw up. Hang on. Right. I am still a bit woozy. Although to be fair, that's to be expected, given that I haven't done any physical activity in what, coming up to about a decade. So, yeah, I'll see how I am for the next 15 minutes or so, and if I'm still crap, I'll probably pack it in and see how I am tomorrow. I have actually chopped the ball, or rather edged it right into my bloody heel, and of course I have to walk on bloody tiptoes all the time, but oh well. Okay, right, let's do these in order. Acupressure, heal self for however many health. Right, we can do that. Where's the bloody here they are. Right, heal modifier. Why is there a damage type on here? I need to get that off. Self damage calculator. Gaussian, sure. And it should scale off. Constitution. 0.1. And max health as well. 0.05. And then charisma as well to gaslight yourself into thinking you're fine, I guess. Omae wa nai shinderu. Okay, yeah, it's not the way to say it. Okay.
I ain't gonna die, am I?
Also put on remove debuff X's all conditions, just the one.
I'm not afraid.
So this will be remove debuff modifier. Is that, yeah, range string. Alright. What am I doing in here? Right. What am I doing? No, not this. We need to put on their heal self for free health or and cure a conditional hex. Yeah, we'll probably give a base healing as well. 5. Yeah, we'll do that. Base damage of 5 instead of 1. Okay. Heal target ally. Or whatever. And yeah, these will probably, instead of self, put them on single. Heal target ally for, yeah. What if I actually introduce target strings? So instead of saying self, it would be target ally row, target enemy, or something like that. Yeah, okay. I mean, probably something we'll do later on down the line. If I end up, what is it? Changing a lot of stuff. Okay, what else do we got? I'm just taking a look at random stuff. Yeah, that'll be enough. Right. Do we inflict condition to inflict anathema? Target enemy for, I don't know, 10 seconds. Actually, probably should scale off. Our focus 0.1 and charisma. All right. Okay, so let's excommunicate. We'll try Fist of the Wasp now. This is a multi-hit modifier. Just no, it's not. It's yes, it is. Multi-hit damage. 5. Damage type blunt. So this will scale off. Our strength 0.2 target scalars. Scale of Constitution minus 0.15. 0.2 as well. Right. Give it 8 damage. No. This is a multi-hit, so 3. Accuracy calculator instead of it being certain, we'll have them as, I don't know, 0.8. And this will scale off. Caster's dexterity. And also, sorry, 0.01. So, yeah, 100 dex equals 1% chance. Now we'll do that. 20 dex is plus 1%. So accuracy calculations should be target and scale. So target and caster scaling should add up to 0. How damage? Well, it should add up to a positive number, because obviously if you're higher level, higher stats, you're going to have more max health as well. Okay. Alright. Multi-hit damage modifier. Here we go.
Bullet hit the bone, broke it, I guess. He's bled a lot.
Oh, charges to... Yeah, it will return. Okay, that's not the intended use of the charges. Variable, but we'll do it. Hexmonger, Alchem... No. Starting skills. What should the brawler start with? I'm guessing sweep kick and acupressure. Hexmonger should start with... What do I... Hang on, let me open up Zim, find my notes. Right. Will-o'-the-Wisp, and he doesn't have another one. Okay, fine. Mana Beacon. Fine. Hexmonger, yeah, we're on Hexmonger. Alchemist, what should you start off with? There's Patch Up, but I haven't given a second yet. I'm probably going to let me change that out. Let's see. Seer, Ethereal Sight and Veil. Okay. Sure. I'm not going to do identify trap, probably. Yeah, identify trap should be a other one.
Just excited.
Right. What's next, Sergeant? You need oh, I haven't put anything in here. Yeah, we'll probably put Sergeants one side. I think I might need to make several new skills for them.
Oh, darling, cold here.
Thank you.
Right, you get you get pocket sand. Yeah, and what else? Probably apply poison as well. Okay. Sorcerer. Yeah. Sorry. We also need starting equipment as well. These are skills. I want equipment items. Here we go. Leather armor. And I might want to actually add a couple daggers as well. We'll give you a short sword for now. Right. Sergeant, you start off with a heavy armor sword and board. I haven't implemented shields yet. Okay, we'll do that then. It's another thing in the to-do list. Yeah, you can start off with Parrot. No. Parrot? Yeah. I haven't implemented orders yet. So yeah, that's another thing. Shields and another thing. So yeah, you get distance robes, ash wand. That'll probably be it. Yeah, I also need to. Well, I think I need to put in offhand items in general. Right, you get ash staff. Sure, and then what else? think that's it. No brawlers equipment. You start off with only leather armor. Same with the Shinobi. Shinobi, yeah, you get leather armor as well. That's fine. Alchemist, you get robes and a wand. No, just robes. Maybe give him a shield as well. Because generally with most alchemy stuff, you'd probably want a free hand. Right, I'm still not feeling too great. I'm probably going to keep going to the 2-hour mark, though. Right. I'm also going to have to add some more active skills as well. Just so that the sergeant has something to do. Let's just put, I actually need to organise these into a spreadsheet. And then, yeah, get a load of... So yeah, I can probably report in real time who has what and what stuff I need to add, because I think the 12 classes have been finalised pretty much. It's just everything else. Yeah, the skills, passives. Right, Fist of the Wasp is, yes, the multi-hit one. Mantis Strike, what does this do? Hit 7 area causes it to... Okay, get rid of all this. And poisons. It for whatever. Okay. Poison should probably deal... Oh, I'm guessing percentage damage. And then, bosses will probably take, a little less. Something like that. Okay. Right. Weapon damage modifier. Here we go. No, it's called Mantis Fist. Not. But if you use my brawler, I'm probably going to change this into a general Shinobi, Berserker. No, not Berserker, Sergeant as well. Mantis Strike. And this will just require melee range. Yeah. Then inflict condition modifier. I haven't put poisoned on, which is quite odd, I must say. Record weapon type, any physical. Actually, no. Slash or pierce. Range weapon is not required. Damage multiplier, no, 1.1. Duration, probably 15. And just need to add a condition to the end. Just add poisoned. Can't believe I missed that. Right. I need to build this first.
Herman prowls around the streets all hours of the night, just like an animal. Maybe he's the vampire. Don't start any gossip with that, Kringle. Heaven only knows where it might end.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just completely exhausted for now. I might rename this. I might rename the stream title to what, Implementing Combat Skills Part 4.9 or something like that, and then just take the actual Part 5 to. Normally, just oh damn it! I just want to go to bed. No, it's only R4. It's that's the bad thing. Yeah. Combat, yeah, that's fine. Inflict condition, no. What's this? There we go. Poisoned. 15. Weapon damage, slash or pierce. Target area single. Okay. Right. Then probably I'm gonna add the cases here as well. Actually, I'll do the poison effect, and then probably call it. Right. So I'm just gonna put effect durations and then another script, we'll call this inherits from duration modifier effect. And call this poisoned. Condition effect .cs. Oh yeah, I haven't been on Final Fantasy since the update. Sorry, Weekly's update. If I don't, if I'm still not feeling well after the nap, I'll probably do something a bit less mentally taxing. Because I actually do have all of my crafters at 90 now. This is completely and utterly wrong. Okay, I should have a script template specifically for this kind of thing, but... Oh, right. Yeah, I know it's wrong. Alright, get rid of this. Delete it. Yep, remove. Don't need. Right, we'll make this again. I think duration modifier effect, and we need this as the template. Poisoned condition effect. Right, here we go. High condition effect. public static float health proportion per second. Um, 0.03. I mean, try it. All right. Don't need these. Don't need these. I think that's it. Right. Bar effect equals new poisoned condition effect. Populate modifier effect. Effect dot duration equals duration calculator dot calculate faster. Right, I'm going to rename this to blind effect.
Sometimes I think he doesn't give a darn about
And then we can call this thing
He's all I can think of.
poison effect. There we go, and then return poison effect. Right, right, on the entities, right, I don't want to iterate over the whole, was it the active effects every frame. However, I might need to. So right, time to next action, delay timer, dot time left for positive movements, blah 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 blah. Okay. Right. So we'll probably put as a as bulls is poisoned. Something like, hang on, over here. Action speed times X. Okay, so here, private bull is poisoned. Get. And then, oh, this is public. Right, and then add modifier effect. Where are you? if eye condition effect is on there, then get rid of that. And then as well, if effect, oops, no. No, I should put it in here. I think. If effect dot no is eye condition effect. No, because this should be applying if there's a skill category and there's condition effect. Thing is, I don't want to set poison to true before it's been added. If that makes sense. Because it might be that... Well, hang on, we've done the checks here, so we could. And then if condition effect dot condition type equals condition type dot poisoned. Poison is poisoned equals true.
This whole thing is what we call a setup, isn't it?
Right, so we've removed the effect, which would turn poison to false, and then we set poison to true afterwards. Right? So we just need to make sure that the skill category, or the intra exclusive skill category, will be in here. However, I don't think that's going to apply. I'll leave it as is for now.
Thought you two were going to have the place to ourselves.
Oh, just the ocean, the beach I couldn't get.
If reapplying a condition it is set to false in and so needs to be set to true. Again, right, we'll do this other thing for now. If effect isn't Q for detonation, then if effect is eye condition effect, condition effect, then if condition effect, oops, if condition effect is, sorry, not condition type is equal to poisoned, then is poisoned is set to false. And the reason why we do this is so that we don't have to check for a poison effect being active every frame. Which lets us in process it's override void underscore process. If is poisoned, current health is minus equals delta minus, no, it's delta multiplied by poisoned condition effect dot health loss proportion per second multiplied by time scale. How so? It means twice as fast. Okay, so no, we don't multiply by time scale. Cannot implicitly convert, of course. Right. I'm gonna try, what was it, Mantis Strike that applies the poison. Why is acupressure in here twice? That shouldn't be happening. Right. No. Targeting's wrong. Alright, a mantis is even venomous. Because I might just, I think I might call it something else if it's not. So I should actually change this from a technique to an actual strike. Let's see how the thing happens. It is poisoned, so it's losing health, just not. Right, the poison has elapsed. That's 7. Thing is, it's just not updating. So yeah, this. GD.print. Health loss from poison on entity name, comma, this. Oh, I know what's wrong. It's because multiplied by max health. That would help. Multiplied by max. Multiplied by max health. Okay. I know this is going to flood the flood to the output window, but not much we can do about that. Alright. Yeah, that's correct. Ethereal Sight is not available in combat. Yeah, you can see it right here. The well, first of all, it's taking a lot of damage, but its health is slowly going down, which is, yep, exactly what I wanted to do. Okay. Yeah, 0.0215 per frame, which is... Right, what do we want to do now? I don't know. Oh yeah, this needs to be a strike because it's with weapons now. That should do that. Okay. Problem is, though, is that Sergeant Shinobi Brawler, I think that's going to be pretty common. So, yeah, I'm probably going to have to take a step back and have a look based on that. I don't know. Yeah. Like I said, I probably will go to 2 hours on, but I am probably going to take a nap. And see if I can come back in about a couple hours or so. So yeah, unfortunately it's been a pretty short stream, but it's just how it is some days. Sometimes you're just completely exhausted. But yeah, I mean, I'll hopefully see you in a couple hours, but if I don't, then tomorrow, usual time, hopefully 2 o'clock. Yeah, see you soon.